Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get and use Snapchat web on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use Snapchat web on an iPhone, you cannot directly access it through the browser like you would on a computer. However, Snapchat's web version is primarily designed for computers and is not fully compatible with your mobile browsers. So you can still use the Snapchat mobile app on your iPhone to interact with the Snapchat web version. For this, simply install the Snapchat app, access the Snapchat web by going to web.snapchat.com in your iPhone's web browser and log in into your Snapchat username and password. After this, you can send and receive text messages, but you will need the mobile app to open and view snaps. Now, when finished, simply log out on the Snapchat web to prevent unauthorized access. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.